Hey, this is Dad Random, and I want to shout out to Dennis Lovelady. Thank you for letting me check out this adapter that you are borrowing me right now. I have just gotten back from this long European vacation, and I am now back to my old stomping grounds. Now, I want to show you today a contrast. Now, the area that I'm at right now, you only see a part of. This is a place called Gunlock Reservoir. It is Sunday morning. It is really active. There are birds out. What I want to do is I want to show you something special. Now, one of the things I want to show you is if you look out onto the water right now, you'll notice, okay, with the contrasting photo which I'm going to show you, that the water here in this reservoir, okay, and that's of course how we get our water here in southern Utah. We basically store water in reservoirs. This place is plump full. So I'm going to show you, like I said, a contrast to that. Way off in the distance over there, I'm going to be flying my Mavic, and the falls should be running today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly over and see if we can check out the falls from this side, and then we're going to go to the front and then do some video in the front. But this place is really special in the spring, and I thank you, Dennis Lovely. Hopefully our audio is working. If it is, it's thanks to you. And we're going to go and check out the falls. Yes! Hey, once again, Dad Random. We're getting our Mavic Pro ready to go, and we're going to be flying that direction right towards that. You can see now to the left hand side, you'll see that there is a there's the earthen dam that holds the reservoir. If you see that area where the water kind of looks like it's going off into nowhere, that is where the falls should be running. So I'm going to fly over there right now, and we'll see what it's like. Here we go. Audio source 2. All right. Hey, now we gotta hope that our my Dennis experiment, thank you, is working, because I do not have an audio source 2 today. Maybe in the next video, in the next flight, I'll work audio source 2. So we're gonna keep on the camera for this flight. Make sure we get it into the correct mode here. We've got a long ways to fly. Sport mode, here we go. And I'll go ahead and got a little bit of sun, a little glare. You can see I've got a little different setup. Moved my monitor up, my phone, and we're trying some different things today. Here we go. Trying to get the best video quality I can, 1080p. And this would be considered a distance flight. We are going to go to the other side of the reservoir, which is pretty far. It's probably half a mile over. It will definitely test my flight skills, and also try not to be in a hurry, because I'm excited about the waterfall on the other side. A little bit concerned about the direction I'm standing in my audio, because of course I'm used to having kind of a little more freedom. I just need to pop another battery into my condenser mic. It's a powered condenser mic. This is a great example of having redundancy. So once again, Dennis, thanks. right there, and you can see right on the edge there, that's the edge of the falls. I'm gonna pan over the very bottom of your picture, and I can get down pretty low. I've got a really good vantage point at about 4,000 feet away, so I want to just do some slow filming. And wow, I'm definitely going to try to get some shots from the other side. There it is, all in all its glory right there. Just beautiful. And this is what we get. We get seasonal changes. And we get these beautiful things that happen. This is man-made. I guess the reservoir part is man-made. But glorious. And this is another strength of the Mavic. You know, because of the distance I'm shooting from, it just very few drones you can do this with. And I'm just going to turn around slowly, and I've got to keep a certain altitude because I will get screened off by that feature that's right between. There's a little high area, so I can't get very low from this angle. So I'm going to go right there, and you can really see that thing running off. I'm going to go ahead and pull back a little bit. Just a beautiful seasonal thing, and now it doesn't happen all the time. We have to have a duo of things happening. We have to have a seasonal high rain, which we had. We had record rain. We have to have warm temperatures to start to activate the runoff from the mountains. So this water is, you can see coming over the edge right there of, let me go get a shot back on the and like I said, this is what makes this drone just amazing, because you can do exactly, I can see myself. That's really helpful. I'm gonna pull back here, and that allows me to have, let me see, I'm going to do a little bit of a, gosh, I got to get down there, huh? Into that. I can only get so far down. Angle that camera down into that waterfall. See if I can just get the very top of it without, like I said, I've got to really watch my signal. And let's see if I can let's do a little zoom in. Oops, there's straight down. You got the water running there straight down. One disadvantage of this specific setup I have here, it's go and angle the camera back up slowly. And this is not the Mavic 2 Zoom. This is just the Mavic Pro. Hopefully I don't get too much of a... But once again, great drone. This drone, guys, is capturing just amazing, amazing waterfall. Just go ahead and just let it sit on there for a second. And I'm gonna have to start bringing her back here pretty soon. I've got, you know, like I said, I've got 2 batteries today. I'm gonna use both of them. Look at that running. That is just gorgeous. So do just a nice low flight over the top. But like I said, this is one of the reasons why I live in this place. It's so nice to be out. It's about 65 degrees today. Look at that. Look at that. Glorious man-made waterfall. Who says man doesn't do good stuff every once in a while, huh? Set it right on there. Let's move over a little bit. Try to slowly change my angle. This is where you're going, oh man, if I 28 feet above the ground. But remember, the reservoir is at my level, or just below my level, so I've got plenty of distance to clear and get home. I've got a clear shot all the way back. And you know what? It is time to come home. I have plenty of battery. I've got 42% right now, and that should be enough to... Guys, I am rusty. So rusty at filming. This is my first drone flight, guys, and crap, I don't know, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I don't know. All right, so it's time to pop home. So I'm going to put this in fly and film mode, which I should have done in the first place to slow my movements down. But once again, shout out to Dennis, Lovelady. It's all about you, man. This is all about you. I appreciate that. I'm going to get his adapter back. This adapter is working great. My other one, it must be a connection issue. Oh man, I hardly want to leave, but I gotta go, guys. I gotta get some altitude, and I gotta bring her home. I gotta bring her home. It's so hard. And I am just gonna go over this little hill right here, show you the top of them on my way back, show you the top of the reservoir and how high the water is. This gives you an idea of the height of our oh man, there's tons of people walking down there, of course. Of course, this is a, you know, once every couple years. It just depends on the snowpack. Okay, I'm gonna just do a return to home here. There you go. Just let the computer do its thing, guys. Don't be smarter than the drone. Let the smart drone do all the flying. Okay. But I would say successful flight of the Mavic Pro Platinum. Guys, these drones, you know, people are putting to the side saying, oh, that thing's old and that thing's outdated. Guys, this thing kicks butt, man. Half-mile flight, took a picture of a waterfall on a beautiful setting. I'm gonna get great video, okay? Guaranteed.